So first thing first, you need to sign in on YouTube TV under tv.youtube.com. After that, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV and also the NFL Red Zone with Sport Plus bundle. Don't forget to ensure subscription both of them is still active, because you cannot watch Billiard TV without having YouTube TV base plan and NFL Red Zone plan first. So from the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click right here on the store icon. And then you want to click on all to see all the networks that was available. And then if you haven't purchased the YouTube TV base plan yet, you want to click right here on YouTube TV. And then you want to click on next, and then complete your purchase with debit, credit, or PayPal. And after that, you want to search for NFL Red Zone bundle. So right here on NFL Red Zone, you want to click on it. And then again, you want to click on next, and then complete your purchase with debit, credit card, or even your PayPal. And then to watch Billiard TV on the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, and then this time click on the search icon. And then you want to search for Billiard. And then here on Billiard TV network, you want to click on it to open the network. And then you may scroll down and see the live session from Billiard TV. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to watch Billiard TV on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.